To repair a cracked or broken cuff, it's easy. You simply anneal the pieces, then solder them together, which I will show you how to do in this video. Materials you will need: a cuff bracelet, an ultrasonic, files, your soldering setup, a torch, flux, saving solution, easy solder that matches your metal, a soldering pick, tweezers, rubber wheels, and a polishing machine. You can see that it's split down the center right along what was probably a stress fracture line. I will slowly and gently file the high points until the entire seam is touching. I will light my torch and I will use a large flame. I will coat the entire piece in saving solution and flux the seam and solder. I will put direct heat on the seam to get the solder to flow and follow it. I will now reshape the cuff on my cuff mandrel. I'm being very careful not to remove any of the engraving that is on the face of this cuff. When doing repair work, broken cuff bracelets are a very common occurrence. It is a very easy fix at the torch.